Hi everybody, welcome back to Fun Art by Linda. We are still playing with the same colors as the previous video. I am trying to use up the cell activator that I had a big boo-boo with. And it tipped over and it went all over my paper towel and my plastic sheet here. My pillow here I am using and I'm having some success with is Glidden Essentials Semi-Gloss White. I am just spinning it out. My pouring medium by choice. I have used others, but I am using Behr 8300 and Polycrylic Minwax Polycrylic. Mixed 3-to-1. I'm having success with those. And I'm going to stay with that for a little bit until it gets warmer, and then I'll switch back to my Valspar pouring medium. And that is from the Painted Dreamer. She has tested that one, and I saw her results with it, and they were very good. So hopefully this isn't going to be too long. We are going to start with Golden Phthalo Turquoise, and it's almost empty, so that's why I want to use it up. I was going to do a swipe, but bloom. Then I have Sea Mist by Decoart. Very, very pretty. Light blue with a little shimmer in it. And Folkart Black Flash. I wasn't going to put this one in here, but what the heck. I did a couple previous ones with it, and the results were really nice. Gives it a little bit of darkness in the middle of it. Dioxizine Purple from Amsterdam. And my custom green, Teal. Gorgeous color. I made it with a teal and then I darkened it with black. Mixed it away, and this is what I came up with. Love it. All right. My cell activators are Pebeo Titanium White. I've had some success with that one. So we're going to stick with it for the rest of the day. Okay. And what I have been trying to get off the table is the Payne's Gray, which is actually looking like a blue. And it's Amsterdam. I think this will be the last one I use with the leftovers that are on the table. What a mess I made. Put that away before I get it everywhere else. What a mess. While that's sinking, I'm just putting the lid on this so it doesn't spill anymore. Don't know why that happened. All right. Let's see, one bubble and then we're going to blow. There. Not sure on the blow. Definitely have cells coming. That's why I'm so shocked. Like, these have been sitting there for a while. And they're just reacting so good today. Just getting that bubble out of there. At least I think it was a bubble. Got some green up here. Purple in those cells. Purple lacing there. It's kind of cool. That's about all I'm going to get, I think. Still not all back to the middle. Just about. All right, let's give this guy a spin. Oh, it filled in really fast. Look at that. Oof, shivers. It just spread out so fast. And the cells, look at the middle, is like, phew. I'm here. See me. And it's not going to take much to spin this guy. Wow. Those cells. So many. Pebeo, you're playing nice today. Almost got all the edges. Right there. Wow, that's pretty spectacular. One more spin for good measure, and I think we're pretty much done. I'll take that. That is a win today, guys. Wow. Pretty spectacular. Look at that. Now, challenge is get good at this, and then you have to advance to canvases. I have done some. Not as much success, maybe. Let me see if I can show you one here real quick. I don't know the size of this one, but it's 8x8 canvas. And, you know, it turned out okay, but it's a challenge to get that bloom onto a big canvas. And I know some artists use the boards, round boards. And they do phenomenal work. I love those. They're great. I have a couple pieces that I've done on those wood rounds, the little thin ones I have. But like, look at they're not very thick. This one is done and it's resined already. Turned out okay. You can see that. So I'm having some issues trying to find the wood boards. Anybody knows where you can get MDF rounds, wood rounds made or done? I would be willing to look at purchasing some from somebody. I don't have any friends that have not a wood shop workshop where they can do the wood stuff in their garage or their basement. That would be awesome, because then I would love to be doing some wood rounds. For now, I am stuck on these. This is definitely a win. I love this one. The cells are awesome. I just hope they stay there and they don't lose their shape. I want to thank everybody for stopping by. Please, if you haven't joined already, hit the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. It helps my channel grow. I am growing and I'm very happy with that. Thank you all for joining. I look forward to doing more. Hit the notification bell where you will see notification of me posting a new video, and then you can watch my struggles or my wins. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Enjoy your day.